discuss about the NCERT problems. So already theory part of this chapter is already completed. So today's class we discuss about the NCERT problems. So first one, the first question is a small candle 2.5 centimeter in size is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So what is the in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 36 centimeter? At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Describe the nature and size of the image if the candle is moved closer to the mirror, and how would the screen have to move? So what they are given here, a small candle 2.5 centimeter in size. So they are given it is the size of the object. So first scenario, we have to take a concave mirror. They are taking a concave mirror, and next C means center of curvature, F means principal focus, capital F means principal focus. So a small candle 2.5 centimeter. We are taking a concave mirror, and next 2.5 centimeter. What is the height of the object? Height of the object is height of the object. So what is the height of the object? They are given 2.5 centimeter. Height of the object given 2.5 centimeter at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror, and next the radius of curvature is 36 centimeter. Means from this pole to this center of curvature we called radius of curvature. What is the radius of curvature? How much is length? 36 centimeter. The complete radius of curvature of this concave mirror is 36 centimeter, and next a small candle is placed at 27 centimeter. Means somewhere here we are placed a candle. Okay, where is the object here? A, B. This is the, assume that this is the candle. Means the object distance is 27 centimeter. Yes, the height of the image is 2.5 centimeter and object distance. Object distance minus 27 centimeter. Why we are writing here minus 27 centimeter? From the pole to the positive x-axis direction values we are taking positive. From pole to negative x-axis values we called we are taking here negative. This is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis. From pole to we are measuring in negative side. So we are writing the object distance is minus 27 centimeter. And next the radius of curvature, what they are given? How much they given radius of curvature? Radius of curvature are the same, minus 36 centimeter. Minus 36 centimeter. And next, so what is the focal length here? F is equal to R by 2, no? So what is the F is equal to R by 2 relation? What is the radius of curvature? Minus 36 divided by 2. So what is the focal length? 36 by 2. What we will get? 18 centimeter. Yes, F is equal to R by 2 minus 36 by 2. So we will get minus 18 centimeter. So these are the given values. And next, using mirror formula. Using mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Whether you write 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V, or first you write 1 by V plus 1 by U. Both are same. So what is the 1 by F value here? Minus 1 by 18. Previously we have written. So we are taking, or two times we have to write this formula, or both give same meaning. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So I am using this format. So 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So what is the 1 by F value? Minus 1 by 18. Yes. So what is the 1 by V value? V value means object distance, image distance. 1 by V means image distance. We don't know the image distance. So what they are given? What they are asking question. So what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain sharp image? So what we have to find out here? We have to find out the image distance. We have to find out the image distance. We have to find out. First one, we have to find out the image distance, and next we have to find out the nature of the image, and or the size of the image. Size of the image means hi by object distance, hi by h naught in mirror equation we are using. So in linear magnification of concave mirror we are using. So we have to find out the hi means height of the image. We have to find out. So we have to find out first, and next hi we have to find out. So come to the formula mirror equation. 1 by focal length 1 by 18 is equal to 1 by v. So what is the u value? U value object distance. So 1 by 27. Object distance is 27. Because of object is placed in front of a concave mirror. How much is object distance? 27 is object distance. Minus 1 by 18 is equal to so 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 18. So this minus 1 by 10 we are taking this right side. So what is the left side? What is the value? So plus 1 by 27. So 1 by v is equal to, by taking LCM, what will get the value? Minus 3 plus 2 54 by taking LCM. So 18 3s are and 27 2s are. So by taking LCM, so what is the value here? Minus 1 by 54. So 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 54. Suppose v is equal to what we will get the value? 54 centimeter. So what is the v means? It is the image distance. V means image distance. How much we will get? V is equal to minus 54 centimeter. So what we will get? V is equal to minus 54 centimeter. Next we have to find out the hi means height of the image. Next, by using linear magnification formula, we have to find out the hi value. So what is the linear magnification of a concave mirror? M is equal to minus v by u, and we have to find out the hi by ho means height of the image to height of the object. So m is equal to what is the v value? Minus, so what is the 50 image distance is minus 54. What is the object distance? Object distance is 27. Next, height of the image we don't know. We have to write height of the object. We know what is the height of the object. Height of the object is 2.5 centimeter. Next, m is equal to, by cross multiplying, what we will get the value? Final answer minus into minus plus. So plus 54 into 2.5 divided by 27. So minus 27. Sorry, minus 27. Object distance is minus 27. Minus into minus plus. So 54 into 2.5 divided by minus 27. We will get the hi value, height of the image value. Height of the image we will get 5 centimeter. So if the negative sign indicates that the image is virtual and inverted, negative side indicates that, so we will get the virtual and inverted image we will get. And next, describe the nature and size of the image. If the candle is moved closer to the mirror, how would the screen have to move? So what is the condition? What happens in a mirror equation, focal, to find out the focal length of a concave mirror, what we are using? When object distance decreases, image distance increases. Object distance decreases, image distance increases. When u value is less than focal length, when u value is less than focal length, so we will get a virtual image. We will get a virtual image. So there is a no need of, no screen is required. No screen is required. So what happens? When object distance decreases, image distance increases. So we have to, a candle is moved closer to the mirror, the screen has to move away from the mirror. When a candle is moved near to the mirror, a screen has to move away from the mirror. It is the reason means the object distance decreases, the image distance must be increases. So what is the value we are getting here? V is equal to minus 54 centimeter. Height of the image is equal to minus 5 centimeter. Okay. Next question we are discussing. A tank is filled with water to a height of 12 centimeter. The apparent depth of a needle lying at the bottom of the tank is measured by microscope to be 9.4 centimeter. What is the refractive index of water? And if water is replaced by a liquid of refractive index 1.63 up to the same height, by what distance would the microscope have to move to focus on the needle ion? Okay, what we have to find out? So what is the refractive index of water? In this question, what we have to find out? What is the refractive index of water? First, we have to write down the given values. First, we have to understand this question. So we are taking a tank. Inside a tank, we are filling water. The total height of the water is total 12 centimeter, means real depth. Real depth. What is the real depth here? RD in real depth indicates total. What is the real depth? Total 12 centimeter. And next we are placing a needle here. Here bottom of a tank we are placing a needle. Next, when we observe from a microscope, the apparent depth will be 9.4 centimeter. But the apparent depth means the apparent depth position of a microscope. When we view from a microscope, the position of a needle is 9.4 centimeter. Apparent depth is 9.4 centimeter. Okay, what we have to find out? What is the refractive index of water? We have to find out the refractive index of water. Real depth is 12 centimeter, apparent depth is 9.4 centimeter. Next, refractive index of water. Refractive index of water. So what is the formula of refractive index of water? Mu W. So refractive index of water formula is real depth by apparent depth. Real depth by apparent depth. So what is the real depth here? Sorry, 12.5 centimeter. The real depth is 12.5 centimeter. See the question. The real depth is 12.5 centimeter. Apparent depth is 9.4 centimeter. So real depth value is 12.5 and apparent depth value is 9.4. So we will get the answer 1.33. So this is the refractive index of water we are finding. In second case we are replacing. So what they are asking, if the water is replaced by liquid of refractive index 1.63. So any one liquid we are taking, that height also, the liquid height also same 12.5 centimeter. The refractive index is 1.63. Mu is equal to 1.63. So next we have to find out the same height by at what distance would the microscope have to be moved to focus on the needle again. Next we have to find out the apparent depth by taking a new liquid. We have to find out the apparent depth by taking a new liquid. Refractive index is 1.63. Same formula we are using. Mu is equal to real depth by apparent depth. We have to find out the apparent depth. Apparent depth AD is equal to real depth by refractive index mu. So what is the real depth here? We know the value 12.5 centimeter. What is the refractive index here? 1.63. So what we will get the value? 7.67 centimeter. The new apparent depth. The new apparent depth will be 7.67 centimeter. Finally, we have to find out that whether we have to the microscope have to be moved to focus on the needle again. There is a two different apparent depth we will get. First apparent depth will be 9.4. The second apparent depth will be 7.67. So the microscope is shifted by the previous apparent depth is 9.4. The second apparent depth will be 7.67. So we will get the value 1.73 centimeter. So we have to shift the microscope by 1.73 centimeter.